Hey, it's Paul the Ford Hustler. In this video, I'm going to show you how much this little device saved me in car insurance. Yep, saved me. So I have insurance with Progressive. I've had this plugged in for a while now, and let me show you how much I saved.
Alrighty, so we're at the Progressive application. You can get it on the App Store. So it says Snapshot. Snapshot needs your attention. Final results available. So I'm going to click on that. It says return your device, which we'll do that later on. And we've applied your rate change. We've applied your rate change. Please return the device ending April 15, 2020. So that was the previous policy period. I've had Progressive for 6 months. Now I'm about to renew again. And here's the number, guys. And lo and behold, it says $73 discount. I'd take it. I'd take it all day. If you know how insanely expensive it is for young guys to have their cars insured, it's really expensive, especially in their 20s. It's insane. And I'm all about saving money and making money. In this channel, I sell on Amazon and eBay. So this is something I try to share. Let me go into more detail. So pretty much you plug in the device into the port over here, and it monitors the way you drive. So let me show you my trip reports, just to be really transparent. Tells you, great job, no events in this trip. So what is an event? Let's go to the average. Let's go to the average. So events are fast accelerations, 0 per week, 0 in the last days. Yep, never had that. I don't know the criteria for that, but I think I'm a pretty safe driver. Hard brakes, 1.62 a week. So I believe if you brake quickly within 5 seconds, something like that. I don't know. It counts as a hard brake, and you will hear a beep. The device will make a beep, and to tell you that you made a hard break. Sometimes there's, here and there, a rabbit pops up out of nowhere. You got to brake so you don't kill the rabbit. Once in a while. Sometimes you miss sometimes you're not paying attention. Maybe you'll brake a bit, or going too fast sometimes. But so far so good. And miles driven, 78.27 miles per week. If you follow my channel, I sell on Amazon and eBay. Sometimes I need inventory to sell, so I go to thrift stores, I go to sales, retail stores, look for items. Nothing too crazy. I plugged this device in months ago, so I was going to school back then. I only used the car for going to school, going to church, going to the gym, looking for items to sell on Amazon and eBay. So nothing too crazy per week. Duration, it says I've been driving 3 hours and 48 minutes average per week. And lastly, late weekend drives. 0 seconds and 0 seconds. Yeah, I don't really have much friends, so I don't really get invited to parties. I don't know how late, like what time period it is to count as a late weekend drive, but I don't really have any friends, so no one really invites me to their parties at night and the weekends. I have nothing recorded under this late weekend drives. So yeah, once you apply for the Snapshot device, they will send you a box, and you plug it into your port. It tells you when you have a hard break, and just monitor results with this app.
Yep, so I'm done with this device. I got my discount for the next car insurance, 6 months. For the next 6 months of my car insurance, and they sent me a box here so I can ship it back to them. So that's pretty cool and convenient. Yeah, so I'm at the mailbox. You pretty much box up the device, seal it, drop it off at your mailbox, and wait for the post office to pick it up. So yeah, those are my results for the Progressive Snapshot. This is not affiliated with Progressive. I just try to let people know how they can save on insurance because, it is pretty tough for a young guy. Those are my results. You can judge them if you want, if you think I'm a good driver or a bad driver. So they pretty much sent me a box with the device. I plug it in, download the app, wait till they say they have the results. After they have the results, they told me how much my discount is, which was $72. And then they sent me a box with a return label so I can ship the device back. I believe my current insurance now is around 600 range, which is a lot better than what I was paying last time. So yeah, this is how much I saved. This is how much my new policy is 6 months. Really happy. I'm all about saving money and making money. Consider subscribing to my channel. I sell on Amazon, eBay. Until then, I'm going to box this up, ship it back to them. We're good to go. Like this video if it makes sense. Consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next video. Hustle mode on.